This meditation aims to help you to focus on positive aspects of the future. Life after the loss, life after the grief, or rebuilding life through this experience. Let's take a few deep breaths together now. Taking a deep breath in and out. And in and out. Focus your attention to your body and notice that the tension you feel is released with every breath out. If this feels challenging, tense your muscles for a moment, squeeze and then release. Do this a couple of times without straining yourself too much, and feel the relief as the tension is lifted. You can now breathe deeper and freer than before. It feels lighter and less burdened, just like life does. You're able to get up and look after yourself. You're able to enjoy food again, friends again. You're able to enjoy hobbies again. You can hear the birds chirp in the morning and feel a sense of peace. What will you choose today? What will bring you fulfillment? What might bring you childlike joy? Try to focus on all the details, how this looks, feels, and smells. How might life be treating you now that all is settled and rested? Hold this in your mind as clearly as you can. Tell yourself you are worthy, and it is time to give yourself permission, now in this moment. Permission to live, permission to be free, permission to sing again, to love again, to enjoy life again. Thank yourself for your hard work up to now to survive the past. When you're ready, bring your attention back into the present moment, focusing on my voice, coming back to the YouTube video, back to the present moment, knowing that life is yours to choose as you step forward into this new chapter that is yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.